in East Texas today. It was very interesting.
We did?
Oh, yeah, we did.
Wow.
Yeah, it may have been some graupel, maybe some small hail, but temperatures were in the 50s, but we had heavy enough precipitation aloft, Lauren, that we did see a little bit of precipitation.
Wow.
Now,
glad I didn't see it.
Exactly. We can do without it. We've had our fair share of winter weather this year. Now, in Longview, skies are beginning to clear. However, in deep East Texas, we are still seeing a little bit of rain out there. Some of this is reaching the ground, but any of these yellow pockets you see over San Augustine and Sabine counties, it's possible that we are seeing some small ice pellets out of that storm system. But once again, they're not going to cause any issues because we're about 30 degrees above freezing, or at least that's where we were this afternoon. Highs were in the 50s and 60s for the most part. Tyler hit 64, Longview hit 63. That being said, the temperatures have fallen just a little bit. We're in the 40s and 50s. Mineola is one of the colder spots at 46. It's also 49 in Nacogdoches and 2 degrees cooler than that in Marshall, sitting at 47 degrees. So tonight we'll fall to 40, mostly clear and chilly. Winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That will also help to keep us dry for the remainder of the night. And then the high temperatures will be wind driven, with those winds shifting from the east to the southeast at 15 miles per hour. It's going to drive up our temperatures and eventually drive up that Gulf moisture. So here's satellite and radar. Not a ton going on, just a couple of showers here and there, and that will continue to be the case. We'll go ahead and show you Futurecast here. And first and foremost, I'm not really anticipating much in the way of rainfall tomorrow. Rain chances are going to be near 0%. Tomorrow's actually going to be a beautiful day. We should be sunny for most of it, but clouds will roll in late tomorrow evening. This is about 6 o'clock. Note the clouds on your screen. They'll be over our western counties by then, and then they start to move into East Texas as that low-level moisture begins to increase. Thursday morning, not looking at a lot of rainfall, maybe some areas to our northwest, and then we will be tracking some individual storms Thursday that could become severe rather quickly. So this will need to be monitored, and Futurecast does show some ominous signs of strong to severe thunderstorms by Thursday evening. But there's your front. It's going to start to move in by 7 o'clock Thursday, and this thing's going to move to the southeast, and that line of storms is forecasted to get stronger as it continues to move off to the south and to the southeast, and that will pose a wind and a hail threat as it moves through. We're also going to see some rain through Friday morning, especially in deep East Texas. So damaging winds, that's the primary threat. Large hail, that's a secondary threat. We could see a few tornadoes with this as well, and that's why the Storm Prediction Center has included everybody within that slight risk of severe weather. And the front's going to pack a punch as well. Both Saturday and Sunday morning, we could be looking at a freeze, especially for areas along and to the north of Interstate 20. Here are the next 7 days. 70 Wednesday, a few showers and thunderstorms Thursday into Friday. We'll be at 56 Saturday, 53 Sunday, a few showers around Monday and Tuesday. And then as we look at deep East Texas, 73 Wednesday, plenty of sunshine, severe weather possible Thursday into early Friday morning, but much cooler for the weekend. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to fox51.com.